Prince the producer.
Creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together rookie, the Addams family. Houses a museum, when people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams family.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wednesday XO coming to you with another video. And today I'm bringing you this Wednesday Addams makeup look. This is definitely an easy Halloween look that anyone can do. I feel like this is just makeup based and wardrobe based, so there's not that much you have to do for this look. But yeah, before we jump in, let me just remind you that I am going to have a Halloween video every 2 days. A Halloween inspired makeup look every 2 days for the rest of October. So yeah, without rambling on further, let's jump into the video. finished look of my Wednesday Addams makeup look. I added on a collared shirt, a cross necklace, a black shirt or black sweater, and a nice snake ring because I felt like, you know, why not? I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also hit that subscribe button. It's going to be on this side or this side. I'm not sure which side it's going to be on. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.